Hi, vlog!
Wow, we can bingo here.
See view! Wow!
And I even got a free hat.
Pork isaw.
Pork isaw.
Pork barbecue.
We have suka, of course.
This is the steamed sea bread. Ayos ko na.
We're going to the pool.
Super laki ng infinity pool nila.
Ready? The moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Hello, people of the United Arab Emirates.
Ayos ko na.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Ayos ko na.
It's too hot and the AC is on max. Pass the phone.
Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to Dukes the Palm in Palm Jumeirah. Passing the mic.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to the...
United Arab Emirates.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Staycay.
So today we're gonna... What?
We're gonna go to the staycay because Tita Kat forgot to bring her camera on the other staycay.
So 2 weeks ago kasi nag-Grand Hyatt kami. Tapos hindi ko dinala yung camera ko kasi nga gusto kong wala lang. So para makapag-relax.
And then-
Wala ka iniisip na
and then-
mag-video.
And then it was so big. There's a hallway and 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
And then we play bingo.
Yeah, I regret not.
And then I got sick there.
Yes, you got sick pala, no? But you won the bingo naman. Diba?
2 times.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
So, ayun, I regret not bringing my camera kasi sobrang ganda talaga doon. So, ngayon, these boys kept on asking me to bring the camera and vlog in Dukes.
So you will get more views, of course.
I just... I don't have a lot of subscribers pa nga eh. Parang hamster ama. It's good eh.
Alabubo.
We're here at Dukes the Palm. Mag-check-in lang kami, then we can go to our rooms. So, naka-check-in na kami. Pupunta muna kami doon sa executive room, sa family room.
Hi vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Dami sa lamin ba po?
Oo nga eh. Hello! So, ang binook kasi na room ay 3 rooms. Isang family room. 4 lang yung pwede doon. Then, another 2 rooms for me, Mors, and ate and mama.
So these are...
I am your grand assistant today. How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it?
Sige na.
Yes,
Go kuya.
Wow, amazing.
Oh my lord.
Oh, give them a house tour, guys. You too.
Oh my lord.
This is the living room.
Ayusan mo.
This is the living room. And this is oh my days. So push the bathroom.
Where?
Oh, wait. Push it.
Wow.
There's an extra room here. Wait lang, follow me, follow me, follow me. Looks so
Look at the view.
posh.
Look at the view outside the back.
Let's see the view. See the view. Let's see the view.
Open it. What are you doing?
It's too hot.
Too hot.
It's too hot.
Humid.
It's too hot.
Too hot. Wow. And I even got a free hat.
Yeah. So, ito yung balcony view ng executive room. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Staycay sponsor. So, we're now going to our room. Room namin ni Mors. And room nila mamang and ate.
To the moon. Nice.
So, dito muna kami sa room ni mamang and ni ate Myra. Go in.
Ganda.
So, ito yung room ni mamang tsaka ni ate Myra. Small room lang siya. Malamang parang ganito di itsura nung sa atin, Bob. Pero laki ng balcony dito. So, ito yung balcony. Nakalimutan ko pala sabihin kanina, yung dun sa executive room kung nasaan kami kanina, hindi nila nagustuhan yung room, so lilipat sa bagong room na medyo mas malaki. Let's see kung ano yung room na makukuha nila. Kasi 4 sila 2 adult and then 2 kids. Parang naliliitan sila doon sa room nila. That's why nag-request sila ng bigger room. Sana talaga mas malaking room yung makuha. So, ito yung bathroom nila. Ayan. Alam nyo yung rooms dito sa Dukes, maliliit siya. Pero okay lang, kung pang 2 tao lang naman is okay lang naman siya. Pero yung pinasukan namin na executive room kanina, parang ang liit niya for a family. So, sana makakuha sila ng mas malaking room talaga. So, andito na kami ngayon sa room kung saan sila in-upgrade. I'll pass on the mic to this little boy. He's gonna give us a room tour.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? The moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Oh my! Oh my! Free paintings. Oh.
There's a ghost.
Oh look! Oh, there's also frames. Free paintings. Wow. And this is the Wow! 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 We can bingo here. Wow! Bingo.
More spacious than the one.
We can bingo. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, kitchen. I can still work with this even though it's a little bit small.
Yeah. But it's bigger than the other one.
Yeah.
Diba?
Passing this mic to Discolit, mommy.
Hello everyone! It's really nice to be upgraded.
So, mas maganda pala talaga dito sa room kung saan sila in-upgrade kasi it's sea view. Merong mga yacht dyan sa side na yan. Tapos dito naman yung you can see the sea. Tapos andun yung lazy river. So, nagutom na kami kakaikot-ikot dito. Of course, we're Filipinos. We have baon. This is pork isaw. And this one is pork barbecue. We have suka, of course. And this is the steamed sea bream. Yummers! So, we're done eating. Tapos na din kami mag-picture-picture dito. Pupunta lang kami muna sa room namin ni Morse para mag-change ng swimming clothes. And then, we're gonna go swimming. So, andito na kami sa room namin. So, ito yung room namin. Same lang din, katulad dun kila Mamang tsaka kay Ate Myra. This is the bathroom. Ayan. And then, this is the bed. Ayan. Meron din atang balcony. Ganon din yung view. Mga kapitbahay. Pero ayun, meron namang 1/4 na sea view doon. So, mag-change lang muna kami ng swimming clothes para makapag-swimming na kami. Ay, Diyos ko dahi.
Orewa. Orena. Orewa.
Where are we going na ba?
We're going to Orewa. Orenai. Guys to.
Where are we going?
We're going to the pool. Arigatou gozaimasu.
This is the way to the infinity pool and the beach. So, this is the lazy river. Ayan, dito muna kami pupunta and then mamaya doon sa pool nila. Medyo malaki din yung lazy river nila dito. So, yan. Mamaya, let's see. Try kong mag-video kapag nasa water na kami. So, this is where the lazy river will start. Tapos hanggang doon. We're here in the lazy river. Kuya, what's that? That's gold? It's a gold?
Mine. I'm robbing the place.
Hi! Love, hello. Hindi po.
Ganito lang yan, bang.
Jambe, you're pushing mommy.
Push mami, jambe.
Maganda yung ganito
Hindi ka kakakabahan, Mang, no?
Masarap, no? Okay. I think I'm gonna keep my camera because I wanna swim. It's so hot. Bye. Bye, vlog. So we're done with the lazy river. We're now moving to the infinity pool. Outdoor pool din. And then after this, pupunta naman kami doon sa isa pang pool nila. Indoor naman yun. Which is yun yung gustong-gusto ni, ni Ate Let. Kasi kaaway niya ang araw. Ayaw niya ng araw. Doon pababa naman na yung araw. It's almost 5 p.m. So, ayun. Dito muna kami sa infinity pool in the meantime. Super laki ng infinity pool nila. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Hanggang doon pa. Ayan. Oh my, so nice. Tapos doon naman yung beach. Pero di kami pupunta sa beach kasi baka kami ay matusta. So, ayun lang. Ay, malalim! So, hindi na ako makakapag-vlog doon kasi malalim. Magsiswim na lang muna kami. I leave my camera here. So, see you later. Bye! Hi, guys! So, tapos na kami mag-swim doon sa infinity pool. Medyo natagalan kami doon kasi wala lang. Ang sarap mag-swimming doon kahit malalim. Tapos yung araw kasi bumaba na din. Tapos malamig na yung hangin. Kaya ayun. Pupunta kami sa indoor pool in a while. Doon naman kami mag-swim. Magpapagod kami. Para gutom na gutom pagbalik ng hotel. Indoor pool time!
Going to the indoor pool.
Yeah.
On the 14th floor
14th floor
of the building.
not
where
the
there's actually,
residential one.
on our hotel, right?
Yeah.
Yes, at the
Yeah,
hotel.
hotel.
There's also gonna be a bar.
There?
Yeah, gym
Really
slash
ba?
bar.
In the indoor pool? Oh, I didn't know that.
We'll see you guys there.
So we're here in the indoor pool. Wow! Oh yeah, you're correct nga kuya. There's a bar there. So ayan. Ang cute naman. Tapos meron pang parang mga dome doon na pagsastayan. Ang ganda na indoor pool dito kasi meron din siyang view dito. Oh. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ko kanina parang dome. Ganito pala siya. So dito siya nakaharap sa view. So nice. Tapos meron pang bar doon. So whenever you need something, pag nagutom, ganyan. Pero since mahal ang bilihin dito, babalik muna kami sa hotel. Kukuha lang kami ng mga water tsaka ng juice para may mainom kami dito. Good morning everyone! It's the next day. So, kahapon hindi na ako nakapag-update after namin doon sa indoor pool. Kasi nga, naiwan ko yung camera doon sa hotel room ng kids. Tapos, nalobat na din pala siya. Kaya, hindi ko na na-video kung ano pa yung mga ginawa namin nung gabi. Well, wala naman din kami ginawa after namin mag-swim doon sa indoor pool. Kundi nag-dinner lang kami. Late dinner na kasi natapos kami mag-swim parang ano oras nga tayo tapos mag-swim? Parang mag-8. So, naligo muna kami. After that, naghintay kami ng food kasi nag-order din kami from KFC. Sobrang tagal kasi sobrang dami palang order dun sa restaurant kasi Islamic New Year. So, nakakain kami past 10 p.m. na. So, ayun. After that, dapat manonood pa kami ng movie or magbibingo. Kaso lang, inantok na kami pagkakain. Natapos kami kumain parang mga 11 na. So, konting kwentuhan and then bumalik na kami sa kanya-kanyang rooms namin para matulog. So, ngayon, bababa na kami dun sa restaurant, sa buffet area to have our breakfast. Doon na din namin sila kikitain sa baba. Pero susunduin muna namin sila, mamang tsaka si Ate Mayra. Babe, say good morning naman.
Morning.
Are you excited for breakfast?
Tingnan natin ano ang kanilang mga inihanda.
Alam nyo ba, nung papunta pa lang kami dito,
Alam niyo ba, mahal niyo.
nung papunta pa lang kami dito, agad yung iniisip namin yung breakfast buffet. Kasi, lagi nga masarap yung breakfast, diba, kapag sa mga hotel. So, let's see. Mang-istorbo muna tayo. Dito pa kaya sila? Good morning!
Good morning! Hi!
Halika na, babaan tayo.
Oo, sige na.
Ito pala yung restaurant. It's called the Great British Restaurant. So, ayan. Dyan yung buffet area. Antayin lang namin sila din. Papasok na kami kasi kailangan yung booking confirmation wala sa na kay Ate Let. So, Tambiyo! Hi! Cute mo naman! So, this is the buffet area. Ayan. So, nag-bread muna ako. Ang first order of business. Then, I ordered iced latte macchiato. So, I'm just waiting for my coffee for now. Kakain muna ako ng bread. Later, na ako mag-try ng iba. My coffee is here. Big boy! How's your breakfast? How's your food?
Food here is amazing.
How's your food, sir?
Omelette.
I feel like
Where is it backwards?
the elephant is here, on the side. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Sige na, how's your food ba?
It's good.
You like the omelette? What do you like the most?
Omelette.
Omelette?
Even though there's no pasta, I can still record omelette.
Yeah.
Because I've been waiting so many days for mamang to make omelette, but we don't have the ingredients.
Wait, do kaya?
But mamang's not making.
Arti naman? Aman?
No.
Try the fresh juice there, oh.
Where?
There. Right there.
By people of the United States and people of the United Emirates. Arab Emirates.
I'm already on my third plate, pero it's fruits na. Ayan. So, kanina yung second plate ko, hindi ko na na-share sa inyo. Pero, I only had, sausages, mushroom, tsaka hash brown. Hindi ko na napakita sa sobrang excited kong kumain, guys. So, ayun. Tapos, nag-order ulit ako ng another glass of iced coffee. Ito muna kami, kasi late check-out kami today. Dahil late din kami nakapag-check-in kahapon.
Hello guys, so we're just done eating. We're gonna go back to the hotel shortly to change our clothes and then we're gonna go to the lazy river. Lazy river.
Ayos ko tayo nagigigil pa. So, we're now going to the lazy river.
We're in the city.
Ay, Diyos ko, ang galing mag-balance, ha? Ay, sorry. Ay!
The lazy river.
His favorite pool here in Dux the Pound. Hello everyone! So, ayun, nakapag-freshen up na kami. Pupunta na kami ngayon doon sa room ng kids para sabay-sabay na kami mag-check out. Hello again! By the way, hindi pa pala kami mag-check out kasi kakain muna kami ng quick lang before kami umuwi para wala na kaming iuuwing food. Saan ba yung doorbell nila dyan? Hi everyone! So we're done eating. We're gonna check out na rin shortly. And I will end the vlog na here. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next one. Bye!
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.